Woosah! I can't. Woosah! Whatever Charles says. Good morning, everyone. Tom. The doctor is in. Hit the like. Hit the prescribe. We got JT in the house. JT thinks it's St. Patty's Day, I guess. Pool 84 degrees is. He woke up with a 5.5 inch hard dong. Just all the crazy updates from JT this morning. How you doing, buddy? You buy NVIDIA yet? We got some things to do on the market open. Actually, we need to get right to it. We need to get right to it. Ding, a ding, ding, ding. I'm not even logged in. So tasty. In the morning. Throw the coffee down your throat hole. It's hot. Market's pumping. Bitcoin's pumping. I had some covered calls. Coinbase was down a lot yesterday, so I played that nicely, but I forgot to take them off at the end of the day because I thought today would be a big green day. And so far it is. I should still be able to make some money. I don't think I want to keep them on. Kind of see what happens on the open here. Throw that coffee down your butthole. It's hot. Oh no. All right, Coinbase up 5, 6. So my call should still be in the money. We got a little bit of a volatility decay and a volatility crush happening. We're still up $316. Let's freaking go. My gut instinct is to get this off now. I don't know if we're going to be able to fill that at mid, but let's find out. All right, so, done. We made 320 bucks, approximately $160. So about, okay. We made about 30% on the trade in one day. You can't beat that, bro. Starting to drop. What's starting to drop? A little bit of mukbang for you. E-mini S&P up 49. NASDAQ up 220. Our trades in the house. NFT, Satardio. It's Artardio, but on Cardano. NFTs don't interest me in the slightest, bro. I am not buying an NFT. PFP NFTs are the dumbest thing ever. Michael Johnson in the house. How you doing, buddy? Long time no see. We missed you lately. I forget you're an XRP Koolaid sipper, aren't you? We got some XRP news. We give you XRP Koolaid sippers some hope. All right. Yeah, Coinbase. I could have squeezed a little bit more out of her. Correct. NFTs are RR. It's where the money be made. NFTs are where the money be made? Maybe. You got to put out too much time for that shit. I just dropped an S-bomb. I probably swore twice already. YouTube don't like that. All right, gold at 25.50. Silver at 27.14. Bonds down 16 ticks to 121.30. So bonds are cooling off. Coinbase is back up 6. I kind of want to do a put spread now. Maybe even like a short duration one. $3 credit. $2 credit. This would be 1/3 the width of strike. Basically a 50-50. This has only an 8% chance. I don't think that's right. No. We want to do this. Let's do it right. Let's go 45 days out. It says a 73% chance of being 50% profitable. My account doesn't have sufficient buying power. All right. What if I do that? $1.70. Boom. We're going to come over here and close this for 50% profit. Go to cancel. All right. Anything else? What's NVIDIA and Tesla doing for JT? NVIDIA is 328. I'm sorry, 195. It's beating Coinbase in my battle right now. And NVIDIA, 100. Bitcoin BMW in the house. How you doing, brother? Chris in the house. Mother getting Bybit listing. That's weak ass, whack ass news. Solana. You're here for the, you're an XRP bro, huh? Yeah, we'll get to that in a bit. Let's get to crypto. Crypto. Hey. All right. Bitcoin 57.4. It was up a little bit more when the stream started. All right. The light's going off, guys. All right. Bitcoin 57.5. This sucker's a moving. Look at the tea leaves a little bit. Kurt's not here. He loves a good tea leaf. Yeah, it's been as high as 58,000. Holy shit. It hit 58,500 like within the hour. I didn't even notice that. It's struggling at the long-term fib, it looks like. Yeah, I got up to this long-term fib. This is a fib that goes back to the last bull run. We need to win these battles. We did it last time and then failed and then got invalidated. This time is different, right? It's headed back up towards the top of the channel. We need to break out of the bull flag. Ethereum 2400. This one has been a tough one right now. Because of the whole jump crypto or whatever, apparently they just completely getting out of the crypto business and they drop they dumped their bags, and it was a lot of Ethereum. I've seen a lot of Ethereum FUD on Twitter lately. I don't know. I wouldn't listen to anyone that FUDs anything, myself included, when it comes to XRP and Solana. Make your own conclusions, and a lot of people are fudding Ethereum. I don't know what their problem is with it. Usually when you see someone fudding Ethereum, it's because they're a Bitcoin maxi. It's about the only thing that makes sense. Or a Solana. The top people that FUD Ethereum are Solana maxis or Bitcoin maxis. Bitcoin maxis hate everything, and Solana maxis think their shit don't stink. Oh, we're cheaper. Okay. Your tech still sucks. XRP, we'll get to that in a bit. Ondo, 71 cents. Lustia, ICP doing pretty good. 730. I bought that, quite a bit of that recently, under $7. Solana, doing pretty good. Oh, everyone's like, something about Solana. Oh, the Solana Ethereum trade. I mean, is this the best you got? The Solana Ethereum trade, Solana versus Ethereum is winning. Big deal. It happens, bro. Look at that. It's happened plenty of times in the past. Unless you're like Kurt, you're trying to maximize your freaking ADA versus Bitcoin or whatever. Like, unless you're all in, or you just have a trading bag. If you have a trading bag of where, like, okay, I'm going to sit here and I think Solana's going to outperform Ethereum. I think Solana's going to do really well and therefore outperform Ethereum. I'm going to buy Solana now. And then I'm going to sell it when it's, like after it hits a point like this, I might sell it. Right? But if you're just sitting there and you're just a Solana Koolaid sipper, and you're like, oh, blah, 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 Solana versus Ethereum, it's breaking out. Eat a bag of, you know what? All right. Get me fired up. Ooh, Litecoin, $58. On the left, ooh, retro. Wellness check on retro, 12 cents. AVAX 20. A lot of these altcoins are still pretty, all the altcoins except for Solana, I would say, is looking pretty good right now. XRP is looking really good because they got some Kool-Aid sipping news. Good news for the industry, really. So let's get into it. XRP news. All right. So if you're an XRP holder, I want you to make sure you understand what I'm saying here. I have an opinion about XRP, and I can be wrong. Okay? I can be wrong. So calm down, because I don't think XRP has any value or potential. I've never really understood why anyone liked XRP other than you felt part of a community, I guess. And a lot of people made a lot of money on it in the beginning. I've never really got a good answer as to why people think it's a good coin now. Like, why do you think, what is XRP's value proposition? I'm riding an elevator up to the top, and your life depends on selling me XRP. Sell me this pin, sell me XRP. What am I missing? Anyway, they won it. Well, they got it. The SEC lawsuit's done with these suckers. XRP Rock is 25%. The last time this happened, what was it? XRP. I think it was back here. Like XRP. What happened with XRP? It skyrocketed, then it came all the way back down. It had to do. Oh, they won the lawsuit. I thought they won the lawsuit or something back there, but now it's like I don't I don't know. And so now they have to pay a judgment and they're officially not declared a security. They have to pay some money for when they did some security like shit. It's 125 million versus the initial 2 billion. Like, how does the SEC come up with the $2 billion fine? And then what are they going to do with that money? I still believe in BCH and Litecoin. I like Litecoin. I don't. What's the reason for Bitcoin Cash's existence? Litecoin's a nice alternative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is. I get why Bitcoin maxis are why they are on a lot of the things. They could calm down with some of it, like all the other cryptos, including Ethereum. The hardcore ones, they're just too cabal, right? But Bitcoin's a great store of value. Secure, highly secure. You can self-custody, easily transferable. It's probably best in class at store of value. There's some cons to Bitcoin versus, say, like gold, but they're superficial. You can't touch Bitcoin. I think you can touch Bitcoin with your imagination. So anyway, that's XRP news. What do you think? Poll time? Where are we? Will XRP hit new all-time highs? Again, the question's out there. Sell me XRP. What am I missing? To me, it was a good idea at one point, and now it's just a completely. If anything's vaporware, it's XRP. Oh, the Bank of Japan's using it. Nah, I don't know if that's true. I don't know if they're really using it. They might have done some tests with it, or I think we're heading for a recession if we're not already in one. I think that's why it's going to straighten. That's what's going to straighten all. Yeah, I've said quite a few times. I think we're already in the recession, or the market's pricing in a recession. I do think there'll be a pullback in the markets after the election. I'm not going to trade and I don't think it's going to affect crypto that much. I think crypto's going to have its bull run, and then a recession could stop the bull run short. That's possible. I'm hoping for crypto prices to do really well over the next 3 to 6 months. I could sell. I can sit on cash. We get a recession and this market starts pulling back. I start loading the boat on some good stocks. And then in the crypto bear market, I start loading the boat on Bitcoin. Maybe some Ethereum, but mostly Bitcoin. That's my plan. I've said it quite a few times lately. I'm buying Bitcoin in the bear market, and then I'm going to sit and I'm going to keep buying. I'm going to dollar cost average into Bitcoin during the bear market. And then I'm going to wait till after the halving. When Bitcoin hits some kind of peak, I'm going to sell a bunch of Bitcoin. We're going to get the post-halving pullback, and then a reaccumulation phase. And I'm going to still hold a shitload of Bitcoin, and I'm going to start buying what's good. What's good in the hood? Some Link, some Ethereum, maybe Solana. Maybe I've changed my mind on Solana by then, and they pulled their head out of their ass, and they fixed their tech, and they've dealt with all the bullshit that's going on over there. They got rid of all the scam artists. I mean, that's unlikely. Maybe some Cardano. I don't know. Maybe there's some great RWA projects. You know, maybe BlackRock has their new exchange in Texas on Ethereum. That's why you can't fade Ethereum. BlackRock, bro. BlackRock and the layer twos. Coinbase. Base is gonna be big. All about that base. I'm just holding on for now. My brokerage account has been down 6 figures. Ooh, that sucks, bro. Because of stocks or what? My brokerage account was down. I was down 6 figures easy this last week. Starting Friday on, my Coinbase was probably down about this. Coinbase was down close to 100,000, if not about 100,000 at one point. And my crypto was down big. We're grinding back up. Oh, Palantir. Forgot to check on Palantir. The puts are still doing good. All about that base. All right. Bitcoin. Ooh, Bitcoin now down below 57. I should have kept the calls on, bro. Gosh darn it. What is going on? Why is it dumping? PPI forecast. I thought that already came out. Something came out this morning. August 13th. Oh, that's next week. All right, that's my time. You've been great. I love Palantir. No trouble. What do you mean by no trouble? Yeah, Palantir. I'm extremely bullish, Palantir. I'm extremely bullish. 2 stocks long term. 3 stocks long term. Coinbase, but that one you kind of want to sell. You kind of want to sell Coinbase at the bull run. Oh, all about that. And then Palantir and Tesla. Oh, I would say Nvidia too, but I don't know about Nvidia. It's got a really high market cap. I mean, this one's looking like, I don't know how low this one's going to go, but this one's going to be a good pickup here. What do we got going? E-mini S&P still up 50. NASDAQ up 160. It was up 200. A little bit of a lull. It's about that time where it can reverse. Fifth like. Hell yeah. We're big like energy this morning. Dr. Payne in the house. How you doing, brother? Coinbase now up 7. Oh, good thing I took the calls off. I'm all over the place. Why is Coinbase pumping? Ooh. Not sure. How's AMD doing? Matthew Lake in the house. How you doing, brother? Up $1.30. They had some issues lately. Let me change. Let's create. What's the chapter? Just random. Ramble Time. We're already in Ramble Time, guys. $6.54 and we're already in Ramble Time. Yeah, they had some bad news recently. I forget what it was. Bad earnings and then the market dumped. SMLR had some stuff going on, I think, or is it SMCI had some? I don't know, one of these. Is SMCI the one that's buying Bitcoin? I thought I put them on my. Yeah, right here. They're buying Bitcoin, if I remember correctly. No, that's super micro. SMLR is the one that's been buying Bitcoin. It's not really saving their stock price. Ooh. Did they split finally go through or something? Oh, the split went through today, bro. Because I wanted to... 130. All right, we're up $101 on these puts. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off. But, oh, I'm not going to have enough buying powers, though. I don't think. So, because I want to do a micro strategy put. But I don't think I'm going to, I'm not going to have enough buying power. This is an in-play stock right here, bro. When you're like, if you can time Bitcoin, this is a great proxy. 114% volatility. Man, look at this. I can go... You can get $3 on a freaking 95 put. That's insane. Let me see. That would be like $5,000. Yeah, I don't have enough money over here. I would have to sell some Coinbase. So I don't know. I'm going to let that one cook. I'm just holding or buying. Yeah, that's mostly what I'm doing. I mean, for the most part, 95% of what I have is just holding. I got a little bit of cash that I play around with, selling options. It was a 10-to-1 split. Yeah, just happened today. I didn't realize, because I had heard about it a while ago. And we checked the price the other day, and it was still like $1,200 or whatever. All right, Coinbase is ripping. What are the calls like? There's so much freaking premium. Do you have any LenFi? No, I can't stand that project. That project's got a bunch of paid shills. They haven't accomplished shit. It's a garbage project, bro. It's been around for 4 years. They haven't accomplished anything. You put 2008 into it. Their day already had opened it. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I've never been impressed with anything on LenFi. It just has got a bunch of paid shills. I mean, you're buying it super cheap because the market's crashed. So in general, if altcoins start pumping, this one's going to pump. I just don't understand the project. I mean, I get it and I don't. And they've done some bad decisions or something. I don't even remember if their website changed. I've used it before and I was kind of liked it, but I don't know. Like, there's not enough liquidity. It's too hard to do anything. Do they have LP now? This is new. What's the purpose of this? Do they have trading on it? Looks like they have done some new stuff. Yeah, see, it still has this ADA thing too. That's what they used to be. Too freaking confusing, bro. So this is what I've used in the past. It's like a way you could short coins and stuff, but I don't know. The liquidity was always low, or people wouldn't. It was hard to get loans. The interest can be really high. There's all these different time frames, like 10 days and shit you got to figure out. No buying or selling until after the election. I don't know. You keep telling us that. Fidelity is doing something strange. I transferred a few grand from my bank into it, but they are not letting me use it yet. It says pending, but they let me use it instantly. But they used to let me in. Oh, yeah, I don't know. They might have changed. They might have changed their risk management policies because of all the volatility right now. Might have something to do with it. I think Dr. Payne uses Fidelity, doesn't he? All about that base. Love Fidelity. Weren't they down the other day? Did you love them when they were down and you couldn't do shit? How did that work out? Did you love them when you couldn't because they were down? Tasty Trade wasn't down. It never went down for you. It went down for a lot of people. Maybe you just weren't trading at the time. All right. Coinbase up $10 now, bros. All I do is win. I thought it was Robinhood. No, there was a bunch. Like almost everyone was down. Fidelity, Schwab. Twitter was going crazy. I'm 99%. I'm 90% sure Fidelity was down. Good jobs numbers. Boom. Yeah, dude, you get it. You watch the charts way too much, dude. Cardano 69% ready for hard chain. For a hard chain. When I looked at I go by this. And this says 59%, bitch. I don't know where you're getting your stats from. We need 75%. It's coming along nicely. Justin Fields on Pardon My Take. Blah, blah. At this time, I'm expecting the Chiefs to keep 6 wide receivers. Of those 6 wide receivers, Rasheed, Hollywood, Xavier, McCole, Nico, and Justin. Interesting. I think they're going to keep 7. And I don't know. Like Tony. I'm brain farting. Kadarius Tony and Justin Ross. Justin Ross is balling out. So it's tough to cut him. I say, I'm not a big Justin Ross guy. Justin Watson. Strong tick in the first 30. Raise your hand if you know what the tick is in the stock market. It's a breadth indicator. Do you know what a breadth indicator is, guys? Guys, you did not know I was such an advanced trader because I sit here and say stupid things on the mic. You just assume I'm stupid. 75% of the pool producing blocks on the new version. Not according to this guy, only says 69%, and Sex Explorer says 59%. Or do you have a link or something? What does yellow mean? That's a dumbass question. What's a dumbass question? What the tick is? What the breadth is? Why is that? If that's what you, why is that a dumbass question? %57% of 7 votes say XRP will not hit all-time highs. You don't know what they are. Breadth. There's a lot of breadth indicators that just kind of tell you the market health. Tick. The tick. I think I can pull this up in Tasty Trade. Might have to go like. Yeah, maybe not. The tick is how many it takes the like the I believe all right, it takes the S&P 500 and averages how many are up versus how many are down, and it gives you like overall how the market's moving. So if the tick's really high, that means the market's pumping. If the tick's really negative, that means the market could be going really low. I thought there was a way to see it on Tasty Trade. Yeah, you can. So here it is. Here's the tick. The tick's negative. So that means the stocks are generally going down right now. But this is just for the day, right? I never look at this shit. Who the hell doesn't know what the tick is? A lot of people, bro. most kids, most people getting in the stock market right now have just been onboarded by Robinhood, and they think YOLOing their nutsack in the calls to get rich overnight. That's the only thing. First, they learn how to buy a couple stocks, then they watch a couple YouTube videos of a couple idiots showing them how to make it big buying calls. They don't know what a tick is. And I'm not saying that's Michael Johnson, obviously. You don't need to know, like, I never pay attention to the tick. I'm familiar with it and some other breadth indicators, but I never pay attention to any of that shit for the most part. It's all noise. DoorDash. I haven't looked at that one in a while. Have we not had Ricky? Oh, Ricky in the house. I was just saying I miss Ricky. Ricky's showing up late. I'm a whippersnapper, 52 and retired. Didn't I see a picture of you recently that you looked older than 52? Oh, wait, maybe I was looking at the wrong person and we just had a communication. Didn't I just see you in this picture, or are you the one holding the camera? Oh, didn't you say that was you? Right there? Is this your family or what? I'm creeping, bro. Sorry. I know. I know don't buy, no selling. Oh my goodness, bro. How many times you got to tell us you're not buying until the after the election? Huh? I trolled you? I didn't troll you. It was all love, baby. New poll. How many people JT, we know, bro. You don't have to tell us 37 times a day you're not buying until after the election. What are you saying nice to, Ricky? I'm just trying to put it on a sticky note and put it on your monitor. You don't have to put it in chat every 4 minutes. Strong 52. I'm older than you, Michael Johnson. But so you're winning, bro. You're able to retire already from a Fortune 100 company. I'm still grinding that monthly nut. You know, I never said I don't like talking to you. I just said we don't need to hear you're not buying until after the election 37 times a stream. One time a week, maybe. 37 times a stream is too many times. Other than that, it's all good, baby. And I disagree with your thesis. So maybe that's why it triggers me so much. All right. Bitcoin 57.4. This sucker's a moving, dude. Waking up to an alarm. Here we go. Judgmental soapbox JT. If you're not retired by the age of 50 with 200,000 in the bank, you're a loser. How many losers are in the chat? I guess just me. Michael Johnson and JT are over the age of 50, retired with money in the bank. I'm a loser, guys. JT, what's your YouTube channel to go get financial advice from? Oh, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep the vibe good this morning, guys. Not gonna get the blood pressure up. Coinbase up 10. If you have a mortgage payment after the age of 50, you're a loser. You're an L7 loser, guys. I would say, I wonder how many people over the age of 50 don't have a mortgage payment because they can't afford a house. Loser. 200,000 in the bank. Are you kidding me? What the hell is that going to do? Lasts a year and a half? Oh, so you need, how much money do you need to have in the bank to not be a loser, JT? You need to have the house paid off, a mortgage payment after the age of 50. If you have a mortgage payment after the age of 50, you're a loser. How much money do we need to be in the bank to not be a loser? My family saw advice. My family saw advice is advice to everybody is to have a couple $1 million. Holy shit, bro. At least on the sidelines, pay for house, cash for everything. Guys, if you don't have $1 million if you don't have a couple $1 million on the sidelines, you're a loser. By the age of 50, if you don't have a couple $1 million on the sidelines, you're a loser. You shouldn't have an effing mortgage payment after the age of 40. That's just dumb S. Oh my goodness. I couldn't disagree with you more. Can you so Ricky wants, how do you feel? Oh, you're probably not racist. Oh, you're Korean. You probably hate black people. But we got a brother that wants to marry. He has a son, dude. You're going to have to do a gay marriage. You're going to have to do a gay marriage. I'm just kidding, guys. You know, technically, there's a stereotype that Koreans and blacks don't get along. And I'm not so sure. Like that, there might be some truth to it, like in LA or whatever. But, you know, calm down. It doesn't take much to ruffle his feathers. My feathers aren't ruffled. I'm just laughing, bro. Well, laughing at your ridiculous requirements to not be a loser. 99% of the more than 99% of the population's a loser according to your requirements. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? Velez, do you plan on having? I don't think you're over 50 yet. Are you over 40? Do you have a mortgage payment? You got a couple $1,000,000 in cash in the bank? You're laughing. I'm laughing too, bro. All right. Yeah. Bitcoin 57.6. It's headed back to, as all the cool kids say, Valhalla. Study. Pot users do better after heart attacks. What? So if you smoke dope and have a heart attack, you have a better chance? Okay. That study. What's the biggest threat? I'm in a board meeting. No one gives a shit. Cover songs. Name a cover song better than the original. This is a Michael Jackson cover song. I forget which one it is. Dun 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 dun. Which one is that? That was a good cover. It's not better than the original. I don't know that there's ever been a cover song better than the original, bro. Just got hit by. Oh shit! 53 minutes ago, Japan got hit by a 7.1. That's no joke. That means tsunami's likely to hit California. Limp Bizkit behind Blue Eyes. I love me some Limp Bizkit. Love me. That's a good song. That's about as close as it gets. All of the Along the Watchtower by Hendrix is a really good one too. I would say, what's his face does a couple Jimi Hendrix remakes. Stevie Ray Vaughan has done a couple good, not better than Hendrix, but they're really good. I don't know what's going on, but your voice is breaking in and out on the chat. Is that happening to everyone else or just JT? It's probably your shitty ass version 3 Starlink. Yeah, it's just your shitty version 3 Starlink, loser. You probably should have got the version 4. Oh my goodness, that was messed up. I'm sorry, JT. You probably didn't hear me anyway. It's probably boop. I'm tired of blah. Nicholas, we should first define. Pig trying to bone a cow. Dude's trying to get some poo-tang. BTC, watch the line, whatever. My husband, a grown man, is taking Friday off work so he can play his new video game for 24 hours. That is the type of shit I would do. Just send Palantir advance their partnership. That was 3 hours ago. Palantir up $1.50. Coinbase up 10.50. Bitcoin at 57.6. It's still moving. Strong tick 18 minutes ago. Ah, darn it, guys. So what's the story on Jump? Did they leave crypto? Yep. Seems like Meld Bridge is live. Bridge tokens to Meld. It's now easier, blah, blah, blah. Who gives a shit? Good morning, XFam. JP Morgan says recession by the end of the year, 35%. I think we're probably already in it. I've been taking this new testosterone boosting product. Man, it's really good, guys. Not medical advice. Don't take it because I said anything. Consult your doctor. Shit's really good, guys. I've been waking up with hard dongs. Been feeling better. I still might do TRT down the road, though. JT can't afford... Yeah, he's so poor, his bitch ass can't afford the version 4 Starlink. Brandon Ayuk choosing blah, blah, blah. It's a supplement. Do you get blood checks, blood tests? Have you had your testosterone checked? Have you had all your blood panels, your triglycerides and all that shit, bro? You should have baselines. You should get your blood done all the time. Let's see. I don't remember. Notable alpha. Right here. See if he has a link to this shit. I was able to get a discount. Kind of expensive, but man, it works. That discount was all bullshit. It's crazy the sentiment swings have been going through recently. It's ridiculous. It's normal. Yeah, it's normal. It is ridiculous and it's normal. I will say I've gone through the 5 stages of grief. I was having a really rough time with the summer heat, and I'm just like, I'm sick of waiting for this crypto bull market, but I'm kind of over it. I kind of don't care. I'm kind of back to that point right now. Problem is Bitcoin will start pumping. It'll get to like 75,000. I'll get all excited again. And if it rug pulls us, I'm gonna be at the end of my rope, bro. Gay R National Park. I'm not gonna say those words out loud. Man, they be having some good watermelon. Kansas City. I think that's the same picture from the other day. There are some really talented... I hate this melon. I hate's a strong word, but I don't like this melon guy. There are some really dedicated devs. It's only a matter of time. Blah, blah, blah. Here you go, Matthew. Keep your eyes on LenFi. Is this why you bought it? Because of this post right here? 250 million USDC minted. This is old news. Or did they mint more? Are they faking more TVL at Solana? This chick me all over the place, bro. She just rich in crypto and just traveling the world. Is she stopped the truck worthy, Ricky? I think so. I've been waiting for it to show signs at its bottom. It probably has. Oh, if crypto turns around, you could throw a dart on a lot of these CNTs. Man, this mic, bro. How's the pig doing? 0.0238. Not so hot. Snack of 0.0007. If you believe in a meme comeback, that's a good pickup. Bitcoin at 57.8. Coin now up 11. Then we go back to the call, the well on calls. No, I think tomorrow's going to be an update too, bro. The expected move is tightened by about 20 bucks. Go one standard deviation out. Get like a 580 credit. It's kind of tempting. I think it's going to continue. I think we're going to continue to go up. I think we're going to have a push. Bitcoin pushing 58 again. I don't understand all these jobs claims and jobs reports. I can't help but think it'll eventually retest sub 45. I don't think so, bro. Maybe out in the next bear market. I think 45K between now and the bull run is not impossible. I just think it's unlikely. Coinbase released a report. Expect more volatility. For whatever that means. Twitch drops today, guys, for Rust. I know that's breaking news. Trump has launched on Solana. Is that like from him? Let's take a look at this garbage ass. Dog with Pat. $1.72. I'm down on that. Restore the Republic. Jupiter Perps. Jupiter. I think Jupiter, if you want a nice YOLO play, Jupiter's pretty good. It should do really well in the bull run. You just got to worry about Solana blowing up and going to zero. Waltz. Of course, there's a waltz. I just need a 15x on your portfolio. Would a 15x be enough for me? Oh, hell yeah, bro. 15x on my portfolio, and I am going to be happy. And then I'll live off that shit. Hell, I might get into bonds, a little bit of bonds. I'll be able to pay off my house, be able to have enough money in the bank to not be a loser. I think JT got mad at me and left. BCH is up over $5 today. What's your having a longer plan and settle for 5x? That's no fun. Sell me on BCH. What's your elevator pitch? NEC has done so crap over the past year. It's been in play. About to get Tom Reed. Riled? Do you have bad vision and you can't see what you're typing on your phone? Why the F does he need a lot of money? You look, bro. I don't understand why you. 1 second you're telling me I need 2 million in the bank, and the next second you're telling me I don't need to worry about money. Which one is it? $15X will let you fly private jet? Holy shit, bro. 15X, I could fly private jet whenever I want, but I would run out of money. What if a 15X allowed me to pay my house off, have 2 million in the bank, huh? And that's about it. So you can't crawl up my ass 1 second and then crawl up my ass the other second and be a hypocrite like that, bro. No, you don't need a lot of money. Us people have families and oh, you're saying I don't have families and responsibilities? I have family. I have responsibilities, bitch. I might not have a wife and kids. I get where you're coming from. But I don't need to hear that out of your mouth once a week. Fly private jet, where the hell are you going to go? Wherever the fudge I want, JT. You wake up and just like, you have a fire up your ass every day. You think it does speak though and it messes up? That's a good guess. Bitcoin 58,003. Why is it against the law for me to want to have some money, huh? And not have to worry about shit. Not have to worry about my house payment. Not have to worry about putting food on the table. Really, right? Go out and buy a car with cash, right? Why is that a crime? I'm not asking to have mansion money. I'm not saying I want to be super rich. I would just like you. I would like to be able to retire, huh? Can't win with you, JT, can I? You're always going to find something to pick at. All right, Bitcoin's moving, guys. May go to Australia in a couple months. Then, I was going to say, you're just going to travel? You don't want to move to Australia. They're becoming socialist, communistic. Them in Canada, bro. Visit some friends in England. Be careful. They're rioting there. The Muslims are killing whiteys in England right now. That's not the Democrat. Who says I'm Democrat, bitch? And who says who says even if I am Democrat that's true and that's just a stereotype? Who says that I'm a Democrat that conforms to that? I would still be in debt. I probably wouldn't pay off my house. If you handed me $2 million, I probably wouldn't pay off my house, bro. You're thinking Tom doesn't like you? That's not true, bro. You're just not catching on. I don't need to hear all the time about how I don't have a family and how I don't like going out in public. Okay? I don't need to hear that. I also don't need to hear several times a day that you're not investing until after the election. That's all I'm saying. Okay? Come in with great vibes. Don't call me stupid for not having 2 million in the bank or anyone. You know what I mean? Tell us about your pool. Tell us about how much you love your barbecued pizza. Tell us about how much you love investing. Tell us about how you wake up with a 5.5-inch dong. That's fine. What did Michael say? I was going to share this the other day, but Thomas, check out the YouTube channel Money. That guy really understands that guy don't know shit when it comes compared to me, bro. You want me to go watch some slapstick? He probably watches my channel. Yeah, I've seen this guy before. This mofo watches my channel and then goes over to his channel and repeats it.
Investment strategy, and I'm going to go through some examples in this video. So we're going to get some moving averages on our charts. On the time frame that you're looking at, then the data is a lot more reliable in terms of the longer term trend. How to use moving averages as part of your trade.
All right, I'll check him out. I'm going to be honest with you. This isn't the kind of content that I like. He has a lot of good, it looks like he has a lot of good content for someone that's like new or not as seasoned as me, right? I see great things like use Rabby, which is a really good crypto alert. Like this looks like this guy has good content. It's just not the kind of stuff that I consume. I don't, and to be in general, I don't like watching crypto content. I like, or market content other than like Tasty Trade. I like to form my own opinions and my own strategies and not be listening to someone else that might, you know, put like an earworm in my ear and make me want to go buy a coin or a stock or whatever because of his opinion. And his opinion might be formulated off who he watched or heard or what bullshit he watched or heard. He gives good info on the big picture. Check the one on 2 days ago. It's not over. Yeah, I'm sure he got all this from watching my
Hey guys,
video.
it's a market update. Insane volatility over the last day. Something that can stop you out of trades, but in any short-term trade, you have an entry, you have a stop loss, right? And ding.
No, see, you have a stop loss. Immediately, I disagree with that guy. Stop losses are scams. All right, Bitcoin, 58,400. Never said you were stupid. You're taking it that way. No, yes and no. I think I got under Tom's skin today. Not really. Do you need to let up on me? You don't need to let up. I just don't. Again, I've told you, stop telling me, stop saying things like, I don't have a family and I don't have responsibilities. I don't have a wife. Shit like that, bro. Tom Crown had a very interesting, Tom Crown can suck my nuts too. I like Tom Crown. I do. But I just don't watch this kind of content. I used to watch this shit nonstop last bull run. I couldn't get enough crypto content.
Hey everyone, and
But everyone's a Kool-Aid sipper now. Tom Crown gives good knowledge. I just don't need it. Tom Crown ain't saying shit that I don't already know, bro. Crypto crash, are we over? And then this guy with his sunglasses. Do you know that's bad for you, Tom Crown?
And here we go. I think we're live. There's really no way to tell. Hopefully I'm not talking to myself. Welcome.
I don't even wear sunglasses outside because it's bad for your eyes.
Up to 58.1. I honestly think we move higher, if not even to the top of our channel again in the 60s, but we'll take it one day at a time here. We'll closes these candle bodies. That'd be a nice wick. If we can close the week above 55.8, that'd be a good start. You've broken my heart before. This pattern, I believe, even in the last few months, this has happened and we haven't held, but like that would one just back to 58.1. I almost like the 12-hour down here at 51.3. Better. Still above 50K though. Either stop nice and low. Let's see.
What's our favorite Kool-Aid sipper doing?
1.5 to 1.
Tom Crown is a fool. I think it was about, oh, yeah, I don't. Bitcoin holders, get ready for this. This guy's just getting lazy. Massive Bitcoin fortune revealed. XRP, blah, blah. Major Bitcoin signal detected. Very bullish. Why does this guy get 45,000 K views? All he does, I know why. All he does is read a couple top headlines and then tell you you're going to make $1 trillion. He gets mad fast. And Jesus, JT. Idiots on parade, and he's near the lead. Who, Tom? I like Tom. I don't have a problem with Tom Crown. I don't watch him, but when I've listened to him, he didn't annoy me. Woke up this morning, washed your 2 Teslas in my toilet, and then jumped in a pool, did a couple laps, waiting for the storm over here. See, these are the kind of things that is fine to come out of your mouth, dude. I just fucking told you to stop saying things like, no wonder why he's not married. This is final warning, JT. Bitcoin 58. You're starting to think he's a troll. He's not a troll. He just doesn't have any common sense sometimes. And then Ricky sits there and fucking, he sits there and tries to get him going and keep him going. He encourages him. Ricky's a troll. At least Ricky's funny about it. You thinking Michael's dude? JT, you're bucking, bro. I'm telling you, JT, you need to calm down, dude. You need to relax. You're causing too much drama right now, dude. You're a fucking drama queen. 2 dead in illness outbreak. After eating diamond shrooms. The hell are diamond shrooms? Oh, microdosing? Is this shit even legal? Well, that sucks. What's all Michael dude? JT, am I cutting out or something? You need to stop, dude. I'm telling you, stop now, or you're gonna get a 24-hour ban. Period. Or leave. Just leave now. It was what am I doing? This Tom Crown video, dude? Am I going to get some magic insight 10 minutes in on this video?
We go. I think we're live.
Is there going to be something life-changing happening 10 minutes in on this video?
It does look similarly to now, but I will kind of preface this with, if this is true, if this is real, if this is a fractal, if this is a mirror of that time, the good news is the pain could be over. Seems too good to be true. I agree. But there are some shocking similarities. A lot of people, myself included,
no, not similarities in the chart.
Into 2023, we're looking for almost this exact price action. We talked about it a lot. We said this is very realistic to see a strong rally and then a big old nuke down before the real bull run starts. That didn't really happen, though. We got an all-time high before halving, and I can't in good faith say that these are equal. They aren't equal events, but they do have some similarities. So let's take a look at that today. from the high in June. So really not even that far off, March, June, from the high this year. We had 1, we'll call it 2, 3, and then 4 touches to this descending trend line. The 4th touch was the black swan nuke of 2020, where globally markets crashed and we saw Bitcoin fall almost back to its previous bear market bottom. Time a little different, obviously nowhere near 15K, but the similarities are enough to look at. So 1, we'll call it 2, 3, it depends on how you place it.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of whatever to me. Like, I'll look at the charts and see things like this. To be honest, this is just stuff to talk about because people do finding it interesting. People do finding engaging. I fall a trap to this sometimes, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really do much for me. My biggest, the investment thesis I use, and I pretty much live by, is buy when shit's on sale and sell it when it's overpriced. Who's this cool guy? That was a good one, Ricky. Yeah, get a room. All right, Bitcoin 58.4, guys. You think we can hit 59K before the end of the stream in approximately 15 minutes? 56% of the chat thinks XRP can hit new all-time highs. I told you, JT, cut it out. You want to start attacking other members in the chat? I appreciate that you're my biggest fan, but you cross the line and you don't take a hint, bro. The next minute it shows how it's very similar to right now. Yeah, I knew that was I got that, bro. I knew that was his setup. You're welcome. JT, I wish you'd take a fucking hint, bro. There's just certain things you say in chat that you just need to stop saying, dude. It's not that complicated. It's like you were sitting there, JT, pushing me on purpose, bro. You're doing it on purpose to see how far you can get, like a fucking child. Like a 5-year-old. I should have done that a fucking hour ago, to be honest. If your goal today is to get me riled up, get me fired up, congratulations, bro. I hope you're happy. But I'm gonna brush that side. I'm gonna brush all that aside right now. I've had my nice little vent, and I'm going to move on and have a happy day. Surprised Ricky doesn't have something to say. He's probably laughing. Probably wrecked the truck from laughing. President Putin, blah, blah. Inflammation accelerates aging, obviously. They're still doing the couch jokes, bro. JD Vance stood me up. Pavia rug pulled us. Busy morning with supervisors. I'm hearing the commotion in my ears, but I can't respond. Is this why Bitcoin's pumping? Vladimir Putin legalized Bitcoin mining? The United States government should be Bitcoin mining. JT made a little gay joke. Nah, he was talking shit on Michael. And I don't care how long you've been, and just the general not listening. I don't care if Michael's only been here for like a month and JT's been here longer. That doesn't give you the right to start attacking someone else in chat. Housing prices on my part are cutting prices like crash doom soon. Yeah, I don't know I'm not a housing market expert. I know my house has stayed basically the same. I think it's just area dependent for the most part. I don't know that any real housing crisis looms. A lot of places in Texas got really overheated. So they're coming back to the mean. They're reverting to the mean. Being retarded is just making a full comeback. Stop the truck, bro.
Refugees are welcome here. Say it loud, say it clear. Refugees are welcome here.
Refugees are welcome here.
Say it loud, say it clear. Refugees are welcome here.
There's a difference between refugee and immigrant. Buying ETH right now feels like the dumbest and hardest thing in the world. That's what I was talking about earlier with ETH fudding. Tech show host on Crypto Banner. Now that's a clown. Crypto Banner is garbage. They're big time Solana pushers. Yeah, refugees are leaving to escape disaster. Yeah, I said there's a big difference. I agree with you. Pick a founder. Charles shooting an MP5 looks like. Here's why the SEC might choose to appeal the Ripple judgment. They're not going to appeal that.
Our Muslim brothers and sisters, we stand united. And every single person here today should be proud of themselves. Because across the country.
I don't know what to think about that. What's the ticker? I used to like Bitcoin events, but I'm so disgusted with the lads simping for dictators and would-be dictators who mention crypto instead of championing real. That's very well said, bro. Unpopular opinion, no one needs AI. We don't need it. But it has the opportunity to accelerate us into a type 1 civilization. It also has the capability of ending the human race. How is Trump barely winning? According to recent predicted polls, Harris has actually pulled ahead, which is surprising to me. Surprised Ricky didn't post that in the Discord. We're so screwed if Kamala Harris is our president. It was torturous for me when Trump was president. Them are the good old days. I want that back before I want Kamala. You don't know what I'm talking about? She's a clown, dude. She's a fool. Doesn't matter. She'll be controlled by the deep state. She'll be controlled by Obama. She's just going to be annoying to listen to, bro. She's probably going to get nothing accomplished. She's probably going to let the entire world, the entire world is going to test us. It's going to test our military nonstop. They're going to prod us like JT was prodding my patients. Yeah, the ironic thing is JT is gonna he's gonna comment, well, man, well. And he's gonna say shit again tomorrow. It's just gonna be nonstop. Are you JT, are you not capable of processing simple? He might have Asperger's. That might be the problem. Who cares? Who cares about what? You don't care about JT and the fact that he might have Asperger's. That's beginning to make sense to me. I need to know: is anyone getting sucked off from the run clubs? What are the run clubs? Average Kamala voter. That's kind of messed up. Oh, because they adopted a black kid. You have a bit of autism. According to a recent poll I've taken, I have a lot of autism. No one cares if he comes in and fools around. There's... Michael was getting a little upset. I was getting upset. I don't want it in my chat, dude. I care. They'll be going too fast. When I have 1K viewers, give me a break. That ain't ever gonna happen. I'll be retired after this bull run. I'm going to shut down the stream. You can all kiss my ass. I won't have to put up with your bullshit. 7 people, 7 likes. You have a beautiful Filipina girlfriend? Hell yeah. And I can rub, no, I won't rub it in his face. I'll just say I'll just be glad I won't be a loser anymore. I don't rub money in people's faces, bro. Bitcoin 58.9. You need to stop encouraging him too. It's funny, but it's not. All right. Oh shit, it's 8, bro. I worked a couple hours this morning already, so I can go a minute or two over. You're wondering if Ricky and JT are... No, Ricky just likes starting shit. You find him funny? I find him funny too, but... There's just a few things I have asked him to stop doing several times and he doesn't. It's not that complicated. Joking or not. I wouldn't tolerate it no matter who it was. Ricky, you start doing shit like that, I'll put your ass in a timeout for 24 hours. I don't care. I'll put the entire chat and I'll block the entire chat for 24 hours. Just sit here and talk to myself. How do you like them apples? You got to be no, I am a duck, dude. Oh, trust me, I'm a duck. But that doesn't mean you could, no, sorry. What will I do? I don't know. You'd probably be devastated. Block you, you'd be devastated, bro. Your life would be over. I'm kidding. Calm down, bitch. But seriously. Man, I can't believe Bitcoin's about to hit 59,000. You just, what do you mean you'll just open it? You've already got 47 accounts. I would have to. You would be impossible to ban. I'm surprised JT didn't come in with an alt account. You find what amazing, Michael? MJ? Ethereum pushing 2,500. We got a long way to go. I'm down big on Ethereum over in my Tasty trade account. When it's over. Ricky, look, Ricky. It's a different troll. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, 10NU looks like the buying has started. Let me rush over to Scam Lana and buy that shit coin. Or wait, that one's on Ethereum. When it's over. Yeah, how long did it take you to type that out? If you're at a computer, I get it. But if you were on a phone, that would take me 8 years to do on my phone. Coinbase up 12. I might have to take this trade off. What did we get? $1.79. I mean, this trade's winning. I'm going to let it go. Copy and paste. Yeah, if you do that on a computer, I guess you could pull that off on a phone. I don't know. I wouldn't. All right, Bitcoin got up to 59,000 and couldn't quite break through. Break on through to the other side. Can't lose money. We gave Ukraine more money. The Litecoin bros hate me for telling the truth. Unfortunately, Litecoin is dying a slow, painful death, to which I warned a few times since January of last year. It's not going to 10K ever. Wake up. Bitcoin only. Mom, wife, business owner, lover of freedom, 13 Bitcoin only. That makes sense. Got some weird ass avatar. I have no time for haters or trolls. Immediate blocks. She has 2,200 followers. Why is this even showing up on my timeline? Peter Brand, in the battle between Sol and ETH, it was inevitable there would be a clear winner. ETH, cumbersome, expensive, flawed, claims to be centralized when it's not. Sol, user-friendly, I'll agree with that. Great foundation, I disagree. Sol should gain 100% on ETH. Koolaid, Sipper, Solana, Maxi. Oh, he sells a premium membership. Of course he does. It's just easy. Being a Sol lover is easy. People love it. People are going to want to come watch your content because you're saying nice things about Solana. And that's not me, bro. I'm going to tell you the truth. I think Solana's a scam. I think Solana is going to eventually fail. I think you can make money investing in Solana this bull run, but there's risk of what I just said could happen. And again, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. You're here for the scam. Well, I don't want you to get rug pulled. All right, guys. What are we doing here? Oh, this is some made up bullshit, probably. I was not expecting her voice. We're still pumping this shit out several days later, bro. Breaking news. You're a rug dealer. I am bitter. No, I'm not bitter. I did almost sell 30,000 of Ethereum to buy Solana at 30. I'm bitter that I didn't pull the trigger on that. But I'm not that bitter, bro. Time will tell who's right. If you bought Solana, you're winning right now. Congratulations. And you may continue to win. You may continue to win, bro. Don't hate me. I'm just, that's just my, my opinion, my thesis. I could be wrong. I'm not right on everything. Did Chad Knight buy at 8? Yeah, he bought at 8. He sold at like 24, if I remember correctly. Femke Boy, she's an idol. I don't know what that means. The old Chad Knight hadn't been around in a while. All right, time to eat some watermelon. Take a pee break. Oh, the runner with her voice. She's an idol? To who? What hurts more, selling early like that and watching it run, or selling late? Probably selling late. I don't know. They both suck. Not buying and watching it run. They all suck, bro. I don't know that anyone hurts more than the other. It gives you a lot of nitric oxide. Uh-oh. Is that true? Is that bad? Watermelon is blah, and miso converts into arginine, and nitric is a vasodilator that helps regulate blood flow. So is this doesn't seem like a bad thing. It's not like I'm eating 8 pounds of watermelon. Oh, it helps with the hard. Selling stings more. No, it's not. Oh, it's not bad. I don't have low blood pressure, bro. All right, our trades. Calm down. You're crossing a line, our trades. Warning. Reasons for the testing. Yeah, don't test them waters, bro. Tadalafil, 135 over 88. Not great, bro. Not great. All right, everyone. If Bitcoin's pumping tonight, I'll stream. I mean, we got to be 60K plus. Pomegranate and watermelon are two of the best things that help with ED. I don't have ED, but good to know for that eventuality. Bitcoin has to be blowing through 60K, and I'll consider streaming tonight. That being said, it's a Thursday. Oh, I got ED. We can tell. All right, everyone.